All right, here we are on the Kilowatt Hour e-bike ride. We are at Point Loma at Cabrillo Point. We got tide pools here, the Cabrillo Lighthouse. We were just at the Nature Center. And we're going to ride up to the lighthouse. There's been a little bit of talk whether we can do it or not. And I don't think they'll stop us. There's the Nature Center and the Cabrillo Monument. And here we go up to the lighthouse. And we whittled our group down from 11 to 9. Beautiful day here in San Diego, Point Loma, right at the end of the point. There's the lighthouse. Gosh, well over 100 years old. I can't remember exactly. Beautiful sights, a lot of tourists. So here's our group. Let's get a closer look at this lighthouse. There's the Coronado Bridge over there. Naval station's over that way. And down there are the tide pools. I don't think we're going down that way. So we're heading off to have an awesome seafood lunch. Remember to join the Kilowatt Hour in San Diego. Get your e-bike. Twice a month we ride. And don't forget to Google me. Check us out on YouTube and of course I'm on Facebook nowadays.